To access an accident report, begin by selecting Safety Forms on the Field Tools section of the home screen. Once on the Safety Form List page, you will see any uncompleted accident forms at the bottom of the screen. To begin a new accident form, select plus New Form. Next, tap Safety Form Type. Choose Accident and Injury Reporting Form, and then select Confirm. Next, enter the job and phase where the accident or injury occurred. Then tap Create to proceed. The Report Information section will automatically populate with the previously selected details, including the name of the person completing the accident report. You will then need to fill out each section of the report, providing as much detail as possible. In the Accident Injury Information section, you will enter key details, including the injured employee's name, any witnesses to the incident, the date, time of the injury, and a detailed description of what happened. It's important to be as thorough as possible in the description section, as our workers' compensation insurance provider will require this information upon submission. In the Treatment Information section, enter details about the medical care provided, including whether treatment was received, where it took place, and what type of care was given. Also indicate if the injury was claimed under workers' compensation. If available, be sure to include any work restrictions or return to work details in the Treatment Details section. In the Safety Changes Jar Improvement section, provide recommendations on how HEI can enhance workplace safety to help prevent similar accidents or injuries in the future. This may include suggestions such as improved safety gear, additional tools, enhanced training, or other preventive measures. In the Supervisor Comments section, indicate whether the employee was coached or reprimanded for the incident. Provide as many details as possible regarding any corrective actions or discussions in the Supervisor Comments box. Finally, both the employee and the manager must sign in their designated sections and then select Confirm to finalize their signatures. Lastly, select the attachment option to upload any photos related to the accident or injury. Once the accident report is fully completed, all necessary photos are attached, and both the employee and manager have signed. Select Complete to submit the form.